to introduce you to Papa's Kitchen, where your dish is my command. But Papa's Kitchen cooking show is not like any other cooking show. It's nothing boring. This is a party, y'all. We getting ready to bring your favorite entertainers to your TV. We getting ready to bring sports figures. We getting ready to bring live music, and we got a live DJ. And more than anything, we got some tasty seasoned food from Papa himself, where your dish is my command. So get ready to have a party, y'all, and welcome to Papa's Kitchen.
I'm Cami, the co-host of Papa's Kitchen.
Get ready for delectable dishes and delicious desserts, with everything from seafood to soul food. And remember, everybody's itching to get into Papa's Kitchen. Take it away, California Slam.